Rohan, hurry up! It's a 7 o'clock bus and it should be here soon.
Riya, where is Rohan?
Rohan, come fast! We will miss the bus.
Look, we missed our picnic bus because of you.
We get late for school also because of him. I am not going to wait for you from tomorrow.
It's okay, kids. Go to the picnic next month. Come here. I will tell you a story. Gorji would also delay his friends, just like Rohan. He also didn't understand the value of time.
Gorji, if we reach school late once again, then Principal Sir will suspend us for 1 month.
Gorji, next month we have our exams.
Yes, and if we don't attend our exams, we all will fail.
We will reach, friends.
Hurry up! The class will begin.
Friends!
Humpy, we have reached school. Now why are you screaming?
Principal Sir!
Is this the time to come to school?
Sorry, sir. We have come a bit early.
Keep quiet. You all are 10 minutes late.
Sir, your watch is running fast. See?
Go to your class, quickly. They made me a fool this time. I will teach them a lesson. Tell me, what's the time in your watch today? And where are your friends? You all are late, and I'm going to punish all of you today. Go stand outside your class.
But sir, we have come on time.
Don't you be smart with me. Tell me, what's the time now? Look at that clock over there. That shows the correct time. Now stand outside the classroom. That is your punishment.
Time is a wheel, my friend. It will never stop turning till the end. And if you don't follow time, it will teach you a lesson. Don't you mind? So if you want to be an ace, catch your time and live the pace. Time is a wheel, my friend. It will never stop turning till the end.
Today I've called other parents as well.
Addy, whatever I'm hearing is true?
that you are always late to school. If you are not interested in studying, then start working with me and help me. You should start attending jungle meetings with me. Do you understand?
Gorji, tell them.
Uncle, this is not my friend's fault. They always reach before time at my place. I am the one who gets them late to school. I am sorry, Principal Sir. From tomorrow, I will always come on time and my friends will not get late because of me.
Yes, we will come an hour early.
Very good. Now go to your class and study for your exams.
Remember, if you do not value time, time will also not value you. If you will waste time, then time will cause problems too.
Granny, I have understood now. Sorry friends, you all will not get late because of me from today.
Children, Merry Christmas. Come here, kid. Come fast.
Children, come here. Why didn't you all throw the trash in the dustbin?
Don't worry, Granny. The trash man will clean it.
No, children. Okay, come, let me tell you a story. One day, AJ and his friends had gone for a picnic in a garden full of flowers.
Look at this great view, so beautiful and new, made just for me and you. Just like heaven on earth, let us value its worth. Everywhere I see, a sweet scent follows me. And if you stop and stare, you'll see magic in the air. Look at this great view, so beautiful and new, made just for me and you.
Hurry up, let's go home before the sun sets, or else the stone man will come. Friends?
Oh, there is no such thing as a stone man.
Yes, these are only stories to scare children like us.
Who are you all?
We are just little innocent children.
Be quiet!
Who are you?
I am the protector of this place, Rocky the Stone Man. And now, I am not going to let you kids go away!
But why does the stone man want to hit us?
You all wait here. I'll go and ask him. Please wait. Why do you want to hit us? Have we done anything wrong?
After littering the garden of flowers, you are asking me that what have you done wrong?
We will clean the trash right away.
You wanted to hurt us for such a small thing?
Small thing? Because of this small thing, our environment is being destroyed every day. Do you understand?
Yes, we have understood.
Let's go and clean the trash.
To litter around is absolutely wrong. We should always keep our surroundings neat and clean.
Yes, you are right.
We will never litter our surroundings.
And neither we will allow anyone to do so.
Just like how we keep our own houses clean, similarly, we have to keep our surroundings clean as well. Our ancestors have always told us, one world, one family, which means everybody on this earth is our family, and all of the earth is our home. And if we ourselves don't clean our home, then who else will?
Rohan, why do you always keep spilling water?
I did not spill this water.
Don't lie to me. There is no one here other than you. You have spilled all water.
It's not my fault. I didn't do anything.
Kids, you've played enough. Come here now. Come. I'll tell you a story. DJ and his friends went out for an adventurous trip in the desert.
Friends, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Yes, I'm also ready.
We all are ready. DJ, are you?
Oh?
Yes, I am also ready.
Did you get water for everyone?
Yes, of course. I got water for everyone.
Just check once again.
I told you I'm carrying water for all of us. Only one thing is missing.
What?
Nancy. She really wanted to come on this adventure trip.
DJ, not again.
Come, let's become the sun and paint the earth red as we have lots of fun. Let's glow like an
give water. DJ, the bottle is empty.
I don't know what happened. I had filled the bottle. Now if it's empty, it's not my fault.
DJ, if it's not your fault, then whose fault is it?
It was your responsibility to get water.
I did get water. Probably it leaked. It's not my fault. Now let's hurry up. We need to get back home too before it gets dark.
Here, have this quickly.
Does anybody have water, please?
We don't have water.
DJ, I have been waiting for you so long. Here, DJ. Have some cold water. Hurry, drink before your friends come. Here, also have some yummy ice cream.
DJ, what are you doing?
Drinking water and eating this ice cream. Nancy gave it to me.
Where is Nancy?
Oh, she's right here.
He is hallucinating. It happens when you get thirsty and face heat in the desert. It is also called a mirage.
Oh, DJ, there is no water here. It is sand that you are blowing.
Okay, DJ, bite your ice cream properly, please.
This would not have happened if
you had got the water.
I did get water. Sorry, friends. I am about to die. But because of me, your lives are also in danger. Please forgive me. Are we in heaven? Sorry, friends. You all died because of me. It was my fault. I forgot to fill the water in the bottle.
DJ, why were you not accepting your fault earlier?
I was being stubborn. But now, after dying, I have realized that I have made a big mistake.
Don't worry, DJ. You are not dead yet. You're alive.
What?
Yes!
You all had water?
Yes, from the very beginning.
We would have given you water much earlier if you would have accepted your fault.
Oh, I have understood, friends. One does not become small by accepting your mistakes. Henceforth, I will accept my faults and correct them.
This would not have happened
If you had got the water.
Making mistakes is not that big a deal. Everyone makes mistakes. But after making them, if you accept them, then you won't make those mistakes again.
I understood, Granny. After today, I will always accept my mistakes.
Listen, give us 3 ice creams.
Hurry up! I want a mango flavor.
Children, come here.
Hey, this is the Woka Granny. She's the one who tells us good moral-based stories.
Come. Today, I will tell you adults a story. One day, Humpy was getting ready for school, and his friends were waiting for him.
Come on, please go for a bath.
It's been 4 days since you had a bath.
I will take a bath later. I have already washed my hands and legs.
Humpy, did you have a bath?
No, Mama. Even I have washed myself.
Humpy, Ajgar uncle must be at the door. Tell him that I am not at home.
Okay, Daddy.
Hello, Humpy.
Hello, Uncle.
Son, is your daddy at home?
No, Uncle. He is not at home. Bye, Uncle.
It's such a beautiful day, so let's sing along the way. It's such a beautiful day, so let's sing along the way. My friends by my side, each morning when we ride. So let us shout and sing, and not to worry about a thing. It's such a beautiful day, so let's sing along the way. It's such a beautiful day, so let's sing along the way.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, Miss Foxy.
Everyone take out your notebooks. I want to check the homework that I gave you. Very nice. Very good. Very good. Come, Addie. Who is next? Show me your homework, Humpy.
Sorry, madam. I forgot to get my notebook today. I will show it to you tomorrow.
This is your last warning. I want to see it tomorrow.
Yes, ma'am.
You have learned to lie from your father, right?
Ooh, where is this bad odor coming from? Ma'am, this bad odor is coming from Humpy. Humpy, don't you feel ashamed? You are smelling so badly. You don't even complete your homework. The least you could do is stay clean. This is what your parents have taught you? Get out of the class right now. And next time don't come to the class without having a bath.
Humpy, come with us. Let's go and play.
Oh, children, good that you all have come. Do you know what happened to Humpy? He is not talking at all. And he came back early from the school too. He must have done something wrong at the school.
Humpy, this is not your fault.
Yes, it is Foxy, ma'am, who is at fault.
No, it is not even her fault.
Then whose fault is it?
Uncle, it is your fault.
Yes, whatever Humpy does, he learns from you. He has learned how to lie from you as well.
You throw things here and there, and Humpy does the same too.
Today Humpy got insulted in the school because of you.
Because you don't bathe for 4 to 5 days.
Humpy thinks that this is normal.
Uncle, we kids do what our parents do and teach us, and we follow them.
Children, you all are right. Humpy was learning all the bad habits unknowingly that I practice. But from now onwards, I will not do anything wrong. by which Humpy will learn the wrong things and harm himself. Please forgive me, Humpy.
Children are a reflection of their parents, and they always copy and learn from them. They replicate every action or deed done by their parents, be it right or wrong. This is every parent's responsibility. To avoid doing wrong, which can cause problems in their children's lives and behavior.
We have understood, Granny.
Today's lesson was learnt by the parents too.